Debian is an incredible Linux distribution. However, a default installation includes much more than most desktop users actually need. It comes with hundreds of languages, thousands of fonts, spell checkers, translations, and many optional packages. Most people will never use them. Take a look at the installed fonts. The list is almost endless. More than 3,000 fonts are installed by default. Font selectors become slow and difficult to use. Many users spend hours trying to find and remove foreign language packages manually. Debian Desktop Optimizer makes that job simple. A fresh Debian XFC installation uses about 10 gigabytes of disk space. Let us see how much we can reduce that. To install Debian Desktop Optimizer, go to the official GitHub page. Open the Releases section. Download the Debian package from the latest release. When the download is finished, open your Downloads folder. Open a terminal. Type sudo apt install. Now drag the downloaded package into the terminal. Press Enter. Type your password. Press Y. Then press Enter again. When the installation finishes, close any open windows. Open the application menu. Find Debian Desktop Optimizer. I will add it to my favorites. Then launch it. The first time you start the application, a setup wizard will appear. The first page is a welcome screen. Click Next. The next page lets you choose which languages to keep. The selected languages will never be removed during cleanup. I will keep Greek, French, and British English. Click Next. Now we have the cleanup options. Besides in used languages, you can also remove games, OCR data, speech synthesis packages, accessibility tools, printing support, Bluetooth support, legacy modem support, server packages, and used documentation, and several applications that many desktop users consider unnecessary. For most users, the default selection is already a good choice. It removes unused Asian input methods and unused spell checkers. Click Next. The application now analyzes your system. This is only a dry run. Nothing is removed yet. You can see exactly how many packages will be cleaned. Click Next. Now the cleanup begins. The selected packages are removed. Then the application runs auto-remove to delete orphaned packages. Finally, your system is updated. When everything is complete, click Finish. The wizard is now complete. The main application window opens. The application has 6 tabs. The Overview tab displays information about your system. The Languages tab shows the languages you decided to keep. The Components tab lets you remove additional optional packages. Each component includes a short description. The Update tab lets you run auto-remove and update your system. The Logs tab displays the cleanup history. And finally, the About tab contains information about the project. Now let us look at the results. Running df in the terminal shows that the installation has been reduced from about 10 gigabytes to roughly 6.5 gigabytes. That is a huge reduction. Debian Desktop Optimizer helps you create a cleaner, lighter, and more responsive Debian system. Instead of spending hours searching for packages that can be safely removed, the application does the hard work for you. It is fast, it is safe, and you always stay in control of what is removed. Whether you are installing Debian on an older computer, a virtual machine, or you simply prefer a lean desktop, Debian Desktop Optimizer can save disk space, reduce clutter, and improve your overall experience. If you find the project useful, please give it a star on GitHub. It really helps, and it encourages future development. Thank you for watching.